Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Starting a business in Pakistan, but interacting with the U.S., you'll absolutely need an employer identification number, or EIN. This crucial 9-digit number acts just like a social security number for your business, linking your entity to the IRS. It's essential for opening U.S. bank accounts, hiring American employees, or filing U.S. tax returns. We're breaking down the updated 2025 process for you today. So, what exactly is an EIN? It's your business's unique 9-digit tax identification number, issued by the U.S. Internal Revenue Service. Think of it as a social security number, but for your company. This number identifies your business to the IRS, allowing you to legally operate and conduct financial activities within the United States. It's truly fundamental for any U.S.-facing operations. Who can actually apply for an EIN from Pakistan? You'll need to establish a clear U.S. business purpose, like employing U.S. workers or operating a branch there. If the responsible party is a foreign individual without a U.S. Social Security number, they can often apply by phone or fax. This process helps ensure that your business complies with all U.S. tax regulations from day one. Always clarify your specific eligibility directly with the IRS guidelines. The core of your EIN application revolves around IRS Form SS4, the application for Employer Identification Number. As a Pakistani applicant without a U.S. Social Security number, you cannot apply online. Instead, you'll need to submit the form via fax or make an international phone call to the IRS. Carefully fill out all sections, as any errors can significantly delay your application's approval. Accuracy truly streamlines the entire process. To ensure a smooth application, gather all your business details beforehand, including your legal name, foreign address, and business type. Processing times can vary from a few days by phone to several weeks for faxed applications, so apply well in advance. Keep a copy of your completed Form SS4 for your records as proof of submission. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to obtaining your crucial U.S. Employer Identification Number.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.